Hey everybody, my name's Tom and today we're going to be unboxing the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. So let's get into it. Deity totally hooked me up by giving me this microphone with no expectations. After the unboxing, a full review will be coming to test this mic's full potential. Inside the box we have paperwork and this pretty sweet little soft hard case, branded Deity microphone, black with a, oh that's awesome, yellow zipper. Let's open this guy right up and just take a peek at the microphone itself. Inside we have USB-C type connector. We also have a Deity branded 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch connector. And we have the microphone itself. As you guys can see, this Deity branded windsock can come right off, exposing the microphone. It also has some branding here. You're also easily able to take the microphone directly out of the shock mount if you want to mount this mic somewhere else. The finish is really interesting. Super simple looking microphone, and I really like that it's USB-C. And the best part about this Deity mic, just by first appearance, is that there is a gain knob right on the outside. I'm really excited to start using this guy, but that's it. This is a super simple package. Like I said, microphone, 1/8 inch connector, and USB Type-C with a little bit of paperwork. If you want to see more about this V-Mic D3 Pro, be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, so when that video comes out, you can check it out with me. Thanks again for watching. I'm actually recording the outro of this video with the new Deity mic. If you like unboxings, reviews, vlogs, and tech, be sure to subscribe, and while you're at it, watch another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.